Hey guys, it's another day here at my homestead. So as you can see, my potatoes are flowering. Apparently this means under the ground that there are tubers. The potatoes are getting bigger. So apparently if you remove the flowers, the potatoes will focus on making bigger tubers. I can't say that for a fact. That's what they say. So that's why I'm doing it. Here's another one. Here's another one over here. I'm just removing. That's what they say. I'm not sure. We're not sure. But we just do it anyway. We learn. These ones are good.